Hi there guys, I'm Nikhil from GreedyTech, and in this video I'll be unboxing this Havells trimmer and giving you a complete review as well. So here's the box and this is how the box packaging looks like. The name of this product is Havells USB Quick Charge Zoom Wheel Trimmer. On the front we have a quick preview of how the trimmer looks, well the exact product itself. And on the front they are boasting about quick USB charging. This trimmer in fact has a micro USB charging port and they are boasting about quick charge. It can be charged completely in 90 minutes and for battery life, it can give you up to 50 minutes of runtime, which is pretty good. Now, this is how the front looks like. On the left side, it says Capture Trimmer Technology, trim 2 times faster in one stroke. Now, initially I thought maybe the trimmer speed itself is better, but it's just that the head is slightly bigger than your regular trimmer. So it'll cover more area and the trimming will be 2 times faster. So that's their concept. Now on the back side, we have some of the highlighting features. First, they brag about their unique design, that's auto lock zoom wheel that we use to change the trimmer levels. I'll show that later. Next, we have 20 lock-in length settings. You can change the trimmer settings from 0.5 mm to 10 mm. Next, we also get a detachable washable blade. So the blade at the top of the trimmer is detachable and it's also washable. Now the trimmer itself is not IP rated, it's not waterproof, but you can wash the blade and they are stainless steel so they won't get rusted or anything. Next, it has a micro USB charging port just like I've said, and finally it is a LED indicator at the bottom that turns green when the trimmer is completely charged. Now the model that we have right now is the Havells BT9003, while there are other variants of the same trimmer in different colors with different model numbers, and here's some variants. Now besides these 3 colors, we also have other colors you can check out on Amazon as well. By the way guys, on the box, this trimmer is priced at 1995 rupees and you can buy it online and offline. Prices varying from 1500 rupees to all the way up to 2000 rupees. So the best price is about 1500 rupees. So that's the physical overview of the box. Now let's just get on with the unboxing. So guys, over here we have the trimmer itself in a pretty unique packaging. So here's the trimmer. Let me just put that aside. Next we have another box and these are the contents. First we have a documentation. It says 2 years of warranty, so that's pretty cool. Next we have some liquid and a brush to clean the blades, I guess. Next we have a micro USB charging cable along with a power adapter with a maximum output of 5 watts. So guys, these are all the contents of the box. Now let me just put everything aside and come back to the trimmer. So guys, here's the trimmer. Now let's have a physical overview. Now this trimmer has a complete plastic build. There's no rubber anywhere for extra grip. With that said, it's still pretty comfortable to hold in a single hand. Now at the top we have that extra comb kind of a thing made of plastic and it is pretty easily removable. And here's how the comb looks. Now to put it back in, you just have to slide it over and that's it. Now on the front we have the Havells branding followed by some cool looking patterns, and that's followed by a physical button to turn on and turn off the trimmer itself. We can slide this button up to turn on the trimmer. And that's the sound that we get. It's not too loud, it's not too silent, it's manageable. Now every time we turn on the trimmer, we get to see the battery icon as well. If it's green, it's fully charged or it has sufficient charging, and if it is low on battery, it'll blink in red. Now on the back side, it's pretty much plain. We have some specifications at the bottom. At the center, it has a uniquely designed auto-lock zoom wheel. Now using this wheel, we can change the height of the comb at the top. It starts at 1 mm, so if you want 0.5 mm, you have to remove the comb. So it starts at 1 mm and goes all the way up to 10 mm. And it does lock in pretty well. So guys, that was the physical overview. Now this is how we can remove this blade. You can just pop it out in that way. And to insert it back, this is how you do it. Just position it and press it, and now it's back up and it still works. This blade is made of stainless steel and you can wash it off, and once you're done washing, you have to apply this liquid to clean it off and then place it back into the trimmer. This is how the trimmer looks on the inside. Let me just turn it on. Now let me just use it for a bit and come back to you. So guys, I've used this trimmer and the overall experience has been pretty good. Now I've also been using this Philips trimmer for the past few years, maybe 1 year, and compared to that one, this one definitely felt much faster. Now the main advantage for this particular trimmer or other trimmers is mainly this micro USB charging port and faster charging speeds. If you go with any cheaper trimmer, you might have to charge it for a long time just to use it for maybe 10 minutes. But this one takes just 90 minutes to charge completely, that's from 0 to 100%, and battery life is also pretty good. It can give you up to 50 minutes of runtime. So it's going to be great even for people who use it occasionally. You don't have to wait too long to charge it and use it. So that's going to be the main highlight for this trimmer. So guys, if you're looking for a trimmer under 2000 rupees with good battery life and fast charging, you can definitely consider this one. So guys, that's pretty much it for this video. Thanks for watching. If you want to buy this product, link for that is in the description. If you want us to make any specific video, tweet out to us with the hashtag AskGreedyTech on Twitter and we will try to make it as soon as possible. I'm Nikhil from GreedyTech signing off. Have a nice day.